mamasyal tayo. Ang lahat gagawin ko, anak, para makasama natin.
Rigo Studio presents. Ano kaya ang ko sa ating ng bahay? Anong ingay kong stretching sa matutuwa ka ang makikita sila kapag nasa bakasyon ka? Makita na ayos. Today, Wild Linggo 9 a.m.
Ang happy ng ating mga kababayan. Laging nakakilapay ang GMA Papansin Foundation ang mabilis na nagkakati ng aga at tingin. Noong taong 2023, halos 300,000 mga kababayan natin ang naabot at natulungan ng ating mga proyekto. At ngayong 2024, mahigit 100,000 Pilipino na ang ating natutulungan kasama na mga salita ng bagyong Karina. Asahan mo ang patuloy na pag-reform ng GMA Kapuso Foundation. Isa at puso ng Pilipino.
Maglaro ako mag-Kevin din eh.
Ano naman?
Nothing.
Hindi ka pa kumakain na.
Kain ka na.
Gutom?
What?
Hindi ka pa gutom?
Kain ka na? Opa.
Kainin mo po.
Rice.
Rice and pancit?
Yeah. Rice and egg.
Ang rice and egg, bawal na mag-egg.
Ay, nako.
Ay nako. Kung anong ulam na nandyan, yun ang ulamin mo.
Well, that means I'm not the boss.
Ha?
Well, that means I'm not the boss.
Bakit pag hindi ganun, you're not the boss na?
Well,
Because I'm the boss.
ay, nako. Puro you always want to be the boss.
Because you are my daughter. I'm adult than you.
When I become older and older, I will become the bigger boss.
Yeah.
I'll be
But
the
now you just follow. Just like you're in your room, di ba? Your boss is the teacher. Right? Because you...
I'll be the giant boss when I grow up.
Okay, you follow what teacher say, di ba? That's why teacher is the boss in the room. Even me, if I'm there and your teacher say, okay, Nanay Divine, you listen. I will listen to her. Because he is my boss there. She is my boss there, okay? Okay? Understand?
Okay.
Like that. And if you will be take care adding, you are the boss. You're the boss of Ambrose. Okay?
But Ambrose is getting old.
Huh?
But Ambrose is getting old.
But you are older than Ambrose. Okay?
Okay.
But all of us, as the adult, is the boss than you and Ambrose, okay?
Okay, so that means I am the little boss.
Yeah.
And you are...
I'm the big boss.
No, you are a little tiny big boss.
Bakit may tiny pa?
That means... But your mom is older than you, that's why.
Yeah, if we are in the house, if we are in their house, Papa Juanito and Lola Din is the boss. Like that.
Yeah.
Even if we will go to the house of Mommy Den and Daddy Don, they are the boss there because it's their house and they are older than us, okay? Just like here, okay?
Okay,
You understand what the boss? What is boss it say?
Go do your choice.
You should learn also to do that.
Bre.
Anong bre? Asa na naman si tatay mo?
Iwan ko.
Tagal-tagal na naman ni tatay mo. tatay. Tatay, how can you will become a boss if you're always not here? You're always in your chicken.
Well, Tatay always say I'm the boss.
Ah?
Well, Tatay always say I'm the big boss. That's what you want. That's what I only want. To become a big boss lang, not a little boss.
You grow faster and you...
But you grew a little. Ito, I don't know how to grow myself.
Uy! Wait lang. We'll just call the food of ate. Amo! You're sleepy? Oh, hindi ka na.
Are you sure this is pancit?
Yeah, you taste it. It's yummy.
Mm.
Yummy, right? Yummy, right? Uy, ang bango naman na bebe na yan. Iyak ng bebe na yan. O, yung tatay mo na manok nandito na. Oo, ayan na may dalang mga manok. Buti pa ang mga manok. Buti pa ang mga manok, napapa-inject niya Ayun, hindi niya napapa-inject. Andyan na yung anak mo. Yung tatay mo. Buti pang manok, napapa-inject niya. Ay nako, sus! O, tignan mo. Ay, sus! Ang gross! Oy, nawala na yung bagong ligo. Mabaho na.